Cars.com celebrates the 20th anniversary of its American Made Index at a time when domestic manufacturing is particularly in the spotlight. The industry resource uses its ranking to shed light on the global automotive industry and, perhaps, reveal information on assembly and parts content that trend more American than the actual badge on the front of the vehicle. And as these global automotive supply chains become more complex, so does the analysis. Cars.com uses a 5-point assessment process, reviewing country of origin for both engines and transmissions, location of final assembly, percentage of US and Canadian parts, as well as the direct US workforce involved in each automaker's manufacturing. And while some of the vehicles ranked on the list come as no surprise, like Tesla's Model 3, Y, S, and X, all making the top 4, there were some companies that were notably absent. When it comes to the big 3 in the US automotive market, GM, Ford, and Stellantis, just 3 vehicles from the group combined were listed. 2 of these were from Stellantis, the Jeep Gladiator and Wrangler, assembled in Toledo and ranked numbers 5 and 13 respectively. GM's lone listing is the Chevy Colorado at number 19, which is assembled in Wentzville, Mossouri. As for Ford, not a single vehicle made the top 10. Generally speaking, the list was fairly diverse. While Honda Motor Company was represented heavily with the Ridgeline, Odyssey, Passport, Pilot, Accord, and 2 Acura models, Cars.com also ranked 2 Kias and 1 model each from Volkswagen, Toyota, and Nissan. And while the rundown was not a great look for Ford, who recently unveiled a new slogan, "From America, for America," it did have some runners-up. The F-150 Lightning, Explorer, and Lincoln Aviator were all in the top 30. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.